guys, welcome to today's video. Today we want to look at how you can serve sweet potato at 3 different meal times. My name is Prince Mahlang. Well, so the first step that you need to do with your sweet potato is you need to wash it thoroughly. So sweet potato in Ndebele we call this Imbambayila, and in Shona this is called Mbambaira. Very nutritious. So when you're washing, I would recommend you to wash the sweet potato 2 times. So firstly in lukewarm water and second time in cold water. Then when you're cooking, just find yourself a medium-sized pot and just pour water that will fill up to the level of your sweet potato. Okay, after 30 minutes, serve your sweet potato and let it cool down just a bit. You would want it to eat it hot. So in terms of the option, the first option or the first way that you can serve it is just plain, basic sweet potato. I love this. This is my post-workout meal that I take coming from the gym. Just plain, and we just love it here. Plain sweet potato with a cup of coffee, or you can use any other type of coffee. You can use your herbal tea, you can use rooibos tea, but it's just plain with tea. And like I said, this is my favorite post-workout, straight from the gym. Okay, secondly, for your potato, you can do what are called sweet potato fries. Or we can say these are Imbambayila fries. So you just firstly remove the skin of the sweet potato, just peel it off, then cut the sweet potato into thin slices. Then you're going to bake this at 210 degrees or you're going to bake this on high heat. So firstly, also just spread some olive oil or some cooking oil over the sweet potato, or even for the baking surface that you're going to use. Then bake for 15 minutes. When you're serving this, you can serve just as a snack. Also add some salt and if you want some basil by the side. Okay, so the third option, you can create what's called a sweet potato salad. So I call it sweet potato because it's just a combination of your sweet potato plus just a basic lettuce salad. So for the ingredients for your lettuce salad, you just have about 3 leaves of your lettuce. You have tomato, you have onion, and you can also have a salad dressing like mayonnaise. So the first step is to wash your lettuce and then cut your onions, cut your tomatoes, and then add your topping of salad dressing. This, like I said, is the third option that you can usually serve at 7 o'clock.
Now it's all about me. Now it's all about me. This is all about me. Now it's all about me.
Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was the 3 options that you can try for your sweet potato. Please tell me in the comment section, do you love sweet potato? I personally love sweet potato. Like I said, this is my favorite post-workout meal. So please leave your comments by the comment section, and please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. Till next time, stay safe, keep the love, keep the Ubuntu. Peace.